Hi everyone, welcome back from BIM Agent YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create architectural column in Revit, and then I will explain some step of Revit architectural column. And then first of all, I will explain you and I will show you how to duplicate new column type. So where is the Revit architectural column tool? So before we create the architectural column, we need to use floor plan. So I'm using first story floor plan to place the column. Go to the architecture tab, and then here is a build panel. Then I will click the column. The column has drawdown panel, so I will click that one, and here is a column architecture. Just click this one. So currently it's using 450 and 600 millimeter column. So I went to create 500 into 1000 millimeter column. So click the edit type and then duplicate. So now I will set new type name 500 into 1000 millimeter type. So enter. Then I will change the depth into 500 and then width into 1000. Okay, so then click OK. Before I click the column, we have to check the column must be the height, and then their top height must be the second story. So I place the column here, then press escape on your keyboard. Double escape. Okay, so now I want to copy this column to the other intersection of grid line. So select the column, then click copy. If you want to copy more than one column, so just check the multiple bounds. Then I will start copy 2, 4, 5. Okay. Then I will click all this column and copy to another grid line. Okay, then so I went to after that. So I'm already placed the architectural column this area. I will go to the 3D view. Now I can see like that. I will change to fine and shaded. Then back to the first story. Okay, that time I want to load new architecture type. So currently I only have concrete type. Now I want to use another type of column. On my floor plan, I can see project base white and survey white. So I wanna hide these two. I will click visibility graphic from the properties palette and then go to the side tab. I uncheck project base white and survey white. That's all. Okay, so now I want to load new column type. So I'm gonna use insert tab and then go to the load from library panel, then load family. Here is a template, library folder. Here we can see column and structure column. Currently, we are using architectural columns, so we should use this column folder. If not, your new type of column cannot see in your architectural column tool. So I will open this one and then I will click chamfer column. Then I want to load more, so I will click these two columns and then I will click open. Okay, so go to the floor plan, then architect, and then build panel. I will click column architecture. So I'm gonna use chamfer column. Currently they have 450 and 600 and 600 and 600. So I want to use 1000 into 1000. So I need to duplicate new type 1000 into 1000 millimeter. Then I change to 1000, 1 meter, also 1000. Click OK. Then I will place this column here. I also another column here too. Okay, so that time I want to use one more new type of column. So I'm gonna use you don't want to go to the architecture tab and you don't want to click this one. You can use some shortcut way. So just click this column and then right click and create similar. Then we will change the column type 600 millimeter diameter. I will go to the edit type and here we can change the diameter 600. So I'm gonna change 1000 millimeter diameter. So I will click duplicate and then change 1000 diameter, also change 1000. So here is new column type. Okay, so now we can see all this column in the 3D view. Okay, the tag is place column in the project. I already placed all my column in the project. So this one also then. So here is adjust column height. Okay, I will select this column and then here is a properties palette. Let me check. Okay, so now I will click this column and then here we can see base level, base offset, top level, top offset. So I will go to the elevation. Elevations, it should be, let me check. Here is west. So I will go to the west elevation view. Then I can see that one. So just click this column and then I will change, or let me copy. I will copy this column from here to here. Press shader. Okay, then I will click this column and here we can see base level is first story and top level is second story. So here is a base offset. So I will set the base offset minus 500. So this column go down 500 millimeter. From here to here is 500. Okay, if I put plus 500, so this column go up from first story level line, and then I will click this column and set top offset minus 500. So they will be 500 different from second story to top of the column. If I set the top offset 500, this will be over the second story level line. Okay, here is an adjust of the column height. Okay, I'm go back to the 3D view. So here we can see. So I will set the base offset minus 1 meter and then top offset minus 1 meter. So this column will be like that. Okay, the rest column is same from first story to second story. Okay, so let's go for the 5. Set the material in column. How can we set the material in column? This is very easy. Just click this column. So in this 3D view, I'm using 3 type of column. So I will click this one and this, all of these are 500. So how can we check how many column we are using the same type? So just click this column and right click, then select all instant and visible in view. So we are using same column type for this, and then these 3 are same column type very obviously, and these 2 are same. So I I change the material. So I just click this column type and then click the edit type, and then I will change the material. I'm gonna change concrete. So I want to use cast and shadow. So just click cast and shadow. Use render appearance. Okay, apply. Okay. All this column change to like this. So for this 3 column, I want to set the color of light yellow. So how can we set? So I will click this column and then I will go to the material. This one is metal aluminum, but I want to change the light yellow color. How can we change? So I'm create new material, then rename, take light yellow. Then I will set the color light yellow. Okay, like this. Okay, just click, and these 3 columns change to light yellow, and then these 2 I want to change the light blue. These are concrete cast and place concrete, but I will gonna change another one. So okay, I won't change this color, this material, so I will remain this default color. Okay, so here is we change the material of this column, and this color change accordingly to their material color. So now another one is I will set the coarse scale fill color and set button. So I'm go to the first story view, then here I will set the color to the shaded, but their material color is like that, but I want to set a different color when I use coarse view. Okay, so just click this column and I will go to the edit type and I will set coarse scale fill color from black to, I will set pink, this color, and then I will set coarse scale fill pattern to the solid. Solid fill. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we cannot see. So how can we see? We need to change the model visual style from shaded to wireframe. This one not work yet. Okay, so now I set this column color to the magenta, but I cannot see on my workspace. So I still change this color to coarse view and the wireframe, but I cannot see my magenta color. That is because of the material. So I will go to the material, then here the graphic view. Graphic view I'm use render appearance, so I will uncheck this one and click OK. Then press OK. So I'm gonna change this column, and then let me set another color, solid fill and magenta. Okay, so let me try for another column. So just click this column and then edit type. I will set the cyan color, and then coarse fill pattern I will set solid fill, then click OK. So this column color change to the cyan color. So how about this column? Let me change same magenta color. So I will click the fill pattern, solid fill, apply OK. So this color change to magenta. Okay, here in this column I cannot set the coarse color, coarse scale fill color, because this is cause of the family type. This column family type I cannot set the coarse color button. So how can we set the coarse color button for this column? So we have another way. That is, we can use the visibility graphic. This is, we can use the visibility graphic, or Okay, let me write down the note for you. If we cannot set coarse, scale, fill, color, because of the column type, we can use filter in the visibility graphic, or we can use column. We can set column color in the visibility graphic column. Okay, so let me set you about this one. How can we set the column color in the visibility? That please take note. We cannot. If we use this option, we cannot get. We only can get one color. Only can set one color for all architectural column. So I will go to the visibility graphic. Then I will change the color. Let me set about green color. Okay, then change to the green color. Then I will set solid pattern fill. Then press OK. Okay, let me choose video. Okay, I cannot set the color for this column because of this column family type. Okay, so go to the next one. So this part is how can we fill the identity data. Let me try to set the color for this column in the filter type. So we will go to the visibility graphic, then we will set the filter, edit new. So I will edit new column color. Then I will check for the column, and then let me set for the family name equal rectangular. Apply OK. Then click OK. I will set here green color. Okay, set a green color. Then set the solid fill. And then projection also I will set green color. Okay, green color and solid pattern. Click OK. Okay, now got it. So let me change the column color from here, clear override. Okay, that's it. So for this column type, we cannot set the color in the coarse, scale, fill color pattern. If I change the magenta color, this cannot change to magenta color because of this column type. But how can we set the color? We can use the filter. We can use the visibility filter for this color. So now we can change this color into from black and white into green color. Okay. So now this time we will fill the identity data of the column. So how can we fill that? So I will click this column and press edit type. Then here I have the keynote and model manufacturer type command URL description. Here you can set everyone what you want. I will set to the cast in place column. And place column, this for the example, and the cost must be how much, and the type mark I will set to the column ch1. Okay, so and then how about that one? So I will set the identity data and type mark is ch2. Okay, so I will set this one, the identity is ch3. Okay, so how can we see this column type mark? So we need to use the tagging, column tagging. I will use tag all, and then I will use column. Where is for the column? Here I don't have for the column, so I will use tag category. Okay, just let it be about this tagging. So in this video, I already show you how to do this 7 step. I hope this video enjoy for your learning. In next video, I will explain another step of Revit and how can we build the 3D model by using Revit. Okay, hope you enjoy and see you. Bye bye.